furthermore she speaks Spanish well enough to be इन इंटरप्रेटर. सो इसमें आपके पास एडवर्ब वेल है, उसके बाद हमारे पास वर्ड इनफ का इस्तेमाल हो रहा है. अनदर एग्जाम्पल इज़ इट इज़ नॉट कोल्ड इनफ to wear a heavy jacket. So the word cold is adjective. As a result, the word enough comes after it. When modifying a noun, enough precedes the noun. अगर आपने इसी word enough को noun के साथ mention करेंगे तो ऐसे में noun comes before the word enough comes before the word noun. For example, do you have enough sugar for the cake? So the word enough comes before noun. Jake bought enough red paint to finish the barn. Again, enough comes before the noun phrase red paint. Another example, he does not have enough money to attend the concert. So the word money is noun, so the word enough comes before it. Another important thing to notice is the noun that is modified by enough may sometimes be deleted with no change in the meaning. In case of अगर आप यूज़ कर रहे हैं noun को with word enough के साथ, तो ऐसे में अगर आप word noun को omit भी कर देते हैं sentence के साथ, still only the word enough left makes the sense of the sentence. For example, I forgot my money. Do you have enough? So अगर आप इसमें लिखते हैं do you have enough money, so the sentence still makes sense. और अगर आप इन्हीं को skip भी कर देते हैं just like here do you have enough, तो still it makes sense that you are asking about enough. So we understand that the speaker means enough money. So you in fact you omit the word noun, and yet the word enough is